हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू कोडिंग वर्ल्ड। सो प्रीवियस वीडियो में मैंने बताया था कि कैसे हम लोग गिवन एन एरे एंड हम लोग कैसे उस एरे में से मैक्सिमम सब एरे सम फाइंड आउट करेंगे। सो हियर इज़ द कंप्लीट सोल्यूशन। जो पिछले वीडियो में हम लोगों ने इस चीज़ को ड्राई करके देखा भी था, लेकिन बहुत सारे आप लोगों में से ये कहा कि you should dry run for negative elements also. Okay, so let me dry run for negative elements also. Okay, so say that we are given an array and say the array consists 6 minus 3 and let's say 5 and say let's say 2. ओके, सो इस एरे में से अगर हम लोग देखें, अगर हम लोग सब एरे अगर हम लोग इसमें से इसका अगर आउटपुट हम लोग देखने का कोशिश करें तो क्या निकलेगा? If we add 6, if we consider 6 and then it add with minus 3, that will get 3 plus 5, that is 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, so one possibility is 10. If we ignore it, then we should definitely ignore this because we want maximum sum, not a negative element definitely will decrease the sum. So we'll leave it and we'll add 5 plus 2, 7. That is 7. Okay, let's consider minus 3 also. Minus 3 plus 5, 2 plus 2 is 4, so definitely 7 is greater, but anyway we are wanting 10, this 10. Okay, so how? Let me dry run for this, for this input, given an input. Now let us dry run for this input. So we are, as I have discussed previously, I am assigning result variable as array of 0 which is 6 and maximum ending I am also assigning it as 6. मैंने दोनों में ही 6 ले लिया। मैंने ये ज़ूम कर लिया कि मेरा जो भी array का maximum सब array सम होगा वो 6 ही है। and if I found at any instant this is not true, that means 6 there is something which is greater than 6 exists, then definitely I should come back here and I should update this both. Okay, so how? Let us see how. Suppose I will start from int I equals to 1. So what is at index I? It is at minus 3. So what I will do, I will take the maximum of the maximum ending plus array of I and array of I. So maximum ending is 6 plus array of I, that is minus 3, which is anyway 3, and array of I is minus 3. What is the maximum between this? Maximum is between 3. So I'll update maximum ending as 3 and I will update result also. How will I update? I will take the maximum of the maximum ending and the previous result, that the previous result is 6 and now maximum ending contains 3, but definitely the maximum is 6, so I will not update it 6, or you can say 6 remains 6. Okay, so I will again enter and now I becomes this. Now this has been done. Now I becomes 2, that is 0, 1 and 2. So now my maximum ending contains 3. Okay, so this has been done. Okay, so maximum ending contains 3, so 3 plus array of I, that is 3 plus 5, that is 8, that is 8. So what I will do, I will compare 8 and array of I, because 8 and array of I is 5, so maximum is between 8 and 5 is 8, so I will take 8 and I will update it in this. And now definitely I will update my result. My previous result contains 6 and my maximum ending contains now 8, so I will update this result as 8. Okay, this has been done, and now I'm at last index, so this is 2. So maximum ending is 8 plus array of I, that means 10, and array of I, that is 2. So definitely this is maximum. I'll update maximum ending and I'll update the result by taking the maximum ending and result as maximum. So what is the maximum between these two? So definitely 10. And now I is not less than n, because I know I is 4 and there are 4 elements, so definitely this condition becomes false. I will exit from this loop and I will return that result, that means I will return that 10. So we can say that this the output of this program is 10, which is now हम लोगों ने पहले देखा भी था कि इस एरे के लिए जो मैक्सिमम सब एरे सम होगा वो 10 होगा. सो नाउ वी आर गेटिंग द आउटपुट एज 10. सो दिस इज वे हाउ यू कैन फाइंड. तो ये this solution can be can handle all the cases, whether it is negative, whether it is positive or anything else. This will handle all the cases, and the time